Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at National Car Rental, Los Angeles Airport. And we're going to take a look at some of the cars they have available here, just to give you an idea of the selection. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And we'll just start off here. We got an Audi. It's probably a Q7 in Premier Selection. We also have a Range Rover. And we'll just go down the executive aisle here. Start on the left. We got a Malibu. We'll try and take a look at one of those towards the end of the video. Challenger. Got a couple of Altimas. A couple Chargers. Got a Mazda SUV. We got a VW here. Got a BMW 2 Series. Another Malibu. And we got a Camry. Oh, I like the wheels on that Charger. Let's get a better look at that for you. Blacked out wheels. Somebody taking this Ford Edge. Got a Camry. We got a plane coming overhead here. Dodge Challenger. We got a Charger. Ford Fusion. Got a Toyota RAV4. A couple more Malibus. Looks like that one's got the base wheels on it, and this one's got upgraded wheels. And we got a Challenger. We got somebody cleaning up this Murano here. Those Alfa Romeos. Looks like they're holding that for somebody. There's a couple minivans over there. And let's continue on the other side of the aisle here. We got a Mazda. Another Camry. Altima. Another Camry. A bunch of these Malibus. We'll have to pop into one of these newer Malibus here. Somebody on the channel was asking about that. VW. Charger. And we got another Challenger at the end. Side. Corolla there. Okay, and now we're actually getting into the regular Emerald aisle. So I'm going to try and split this up because I got so many cars here. Let's take a look at... actually, you know what? This is an older Malibu. Where's a... Let me go back to a newer one. I can tell by the license plates on that is 8U. And anything starting with a 9, especially a 9B, is going to be a newer. Okay, this one doesn't have a sunroof, but let's just take a look at it anyway. This one beside over here does. It's got about 3,000 miles on it. These are still pretty nice. All right, so there you go. Let's have a quick look in the back. All right, okay, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. That was all the executive aisle. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.